Deep in the rugged mountains, a geologist begins the search for one of Earth's most valuable treasures, gold. Carefully examining the rock formations, the geologist chips away at quartz veins, hoping to uncover traces of the precious metal hidden within the stone. Under the sunlight, tiny golden flecks appear inside the broken rock, revealing that this land may hold a valuable deposit. Soon, a geological exploration team arrives, bringing drilling equipment to investigate what lies beneath the surface. A powerful drilling machine begins boring deep into the earth, extracting rock samples from far below the ground. From the drilling pipes, long cylindrical rock cores are carefully removed for detailed examination. Geologists study these samples closely, searching for patterns that reveal where gold-bearing or may be located. Using geological maps and computer models, mining engineers plan how the future mine will be built. Heavy machinery moves in as bulldozers begin clearing vegetation to prepare the site for mining operations. Massive excavators strip away the upper layers of soil, exposing the rock formations beneath. Workers carefully mark safety zones and establish boundaries to ensure the mining operation can proceed safely. Along the exposed rock wall, miners drill deep holes in preparation for controlled blasting. Explosive charges are carefully inserted into the drilled holes along the rock face. Engineers connect the detonation wires and perform final safety checks before the blast. Moments later, a controlled explosion breaks apart the solid rock, releasing valuable ore. Excavators quickly move in, digging through the blasted rock to collect the gold-bearing material. Giant mining trucks are loaded with tons of broken ore. These enormous haul trucks transport the ore along winding roads inside the vast open-pit mine. At the processing plant, the trucks unload their cargo into a massive industrial crusher. The primary crusher breaks the large rocks into smaller pieces that can be processed further. Conveyor belts carry the crushed ore through the processing facility. Secondary crushers reduce the rocks into gravel-sized fragments. Next, a massive grinding mill crushes the ore into fine powder using heavy steel balls. Inside a control room, operators monitor the machinery to ensure the grinding process runs efficiently. The powdered ore is mixed with water, creating a slurry that can be chemically processed. Inside flotation tanks, chemicals help separate valuable minerals from waste rock. As the tanks bubble, mineral-rich foam rises to the surface where it can be collected. The concentrated minerals are then filtered and sent to the next stage of processing. In enormous leaching tanks, cyanide solution dissolves gold particles from the ore slurry. Workers carefully monitor this chemical process to ensure maximum gold recovery. Activated carbon filters begin absorbing the dissolved gold from the solution. Large carbon columns capture and concentrate the gold particles. Technicians remove the carbon now loaded with gold. Containers carrying the gold-loaded carbon are transported to another processing area. There, heated chemical solutions strip the gold from the activated carbon. A bright gold-rich liquid flows through pipes toward the next stage of purification. Inside electrowinning tanks, electricity pulls gold particles out of the solution. Technicians monitor the equipment as gold slowly deposits onto metal plates called cathodes. Close-up views reveal the gold particles building layer by layer on the metal surfaces. Workers remove steel wool coated with gold from the electrowinning cells. The gold material is then scraped off and collected as thick gold sludge. This sludge is placed into crucibles for melting. Inside a powerful furnace, extreme heat melts the gold concentrate into liquid metal. The molten gold glows bright orange as it reaches temperatures above 1,000 degrees. Workers carefully pour the liquid gold into rectangular molds. Slowly, the molten metal cools and solidifies into solid bars. Freshly formed gold bars are placed on racks to cool completely. Once cooled, the bars are cleaned and polished to remove impurities. Each bar is stamped with its weight, serial number, and refinery mark. Technicians carefully weigh every gold bar to verify its value. In laboratories, scientists test the gold's purity to ensure it meets strict standards. The refined gold bars are then stored inside a secure vault. Security teams closely monitor surveillance systems to protect the valuable metal. Inside the vault, rows of shining gold bars reflect the bright lights. Workers pack the gold bars into secure transport containers. Armored trucks arrive to collect the precious cargo. Under heavy security, the trucks leave the refinery carrying the refined gold to its final destinations. And from deep within the earth to a shining bar of metal, the remarkable journey of gold is complete.